Hi, everybody. Allison, Deputy from MoonWillow Tai Chi and Wellness here to tell you about my new online workshop coming up called Tai Chi Walking. Now, you might have heard all the buzz on social media about Tai Chi Walking and how it promises things like dramatic weight loss in a short amount of time or ripped abs, all these wonderful things. But hate to break it to you, that's really not what Tai Chi Walking is or what it does. Genuine Tai Chi walking builds balance, strength, and calm from the ground up. It is a deeply intentional movement practice that trains the body, brain, and nervous system all at once. So in Tai Chi walking, we are learning how to root through the feet and move with more intention and awareness, and helping to shift weight safely so that you are more confident in how you're walking. It trains better posture and alignment as well. The benefits of Tai Chi walking include stronger legs, healthier joints, improved balance, and fall prevention. And this is why it's widely recommended for seniors, anyone recovering from injury, or anyone concerned about their stability and confidence while walking. So in this workshop, I'm going to be showing you different techniques that you can apply and practice with on your own. You will get a recording, so that does include the recording when you register for this workshop, so you have something to practice with over and over. So you can continue to build your balance and strength and coordination and mind-body balance and calm going forward. So let's walk into this new year more confidently. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much. Follow your heart and live well.